muscle memory is not muscle memory. Muscle memory is memory. It's from your brain. And muscle memory occurs when you reach an autonomous stage using these 6 different steps. Number 1 is the formation of new neural pathways. By a new stimulus is the only way that you can develop and stimulate neural growth and actually change that synapse. Number 2 is when you start patterning it into your system using repetition. And believe it or not, during this patterning phase, the myelin sheath around the nerve, all the way from your brain into the muscle itself, starts thickening. It starts laying down more. It starts insulating the nerve more. When you have a thicker, wider electrical cable, it transmits messages faster, more efficiently, with greater clarity. Number 3, now you start reaching an automation phase. This is when we shift from the conscious brain, the PFC, to the basal ganglia and to the cerebellum. You're starting to turn this into a subconscious pattern. Number 4, feedback. Feedback sounds like sensory input and proprioceptive input from the adjustment and from the body to the brain, so the brain can get that constant real-time data it needs to create autonomous muscle memory. Coming up next is your retention and your recall. How hard have you wired this into your system, and how quickly can your brain remember it and use it in whether it's day-to-day operations or a time of crisis? And then lastly, your adaptation phase. Adaptation equals neuroplasticity, something that we just spoke about, and the importance of the adjustment in creating. None of these 6 steps mentioned muscle. Mentioned a muscle fiber, mentioned a muscle nucleus, mentioned a tendon or a ligament. Muscle memory is not muscle memory. Muscle memory is your brain.